Hello everyone, here it is, package day. I just got this in the post today from PapaSmurf and it is heavy. I'm trying to see if there's a weight anywhere on this package. 3 kilograms. Alright. Now, I forgot my knife at home, and I'm at work, so you get to watch me struggle and open this like a Christmas package, which kind of feels like it is. Yeah. Damn packing tape is stronger than it looks. There we go. All right. Now for the fun part. All right. We have a Yale rim cylinder. I'm gonna lay it all to the side now. I'll lay it all out in camera view in a moment. Actually, let me move the box over. We have a Era Euro cylinder. I don't know why I say Euro cylinders. Rim cylinders. A Yale and an Era rim cylinder. A nice looking Union rim cylinder. Key's a little rough going in, but boy does that turn smooth. We got a Tri-Circle 264. I've heard these are fun picks. I've never picked one. We've got an Amtech. Curious. Never seen one of those before either. A Draper. Looks to be about 40 mil. What else do we have here? I'm trying to dig all the padlocks out. That's strange. Alright, we've got another Yale rim cylinder. I don't know what this is. It's got a G with a key for a logo. We got a Locksmith Security 38mm padlock. An Abus 5550. That's gonna be fun. I love Abus locks. Alright, these are connected by the key ring, so give me one moment to separate these. Alright, we have what looks to be an iron Tri-Circle. A Union oval. I don't know if that's focusing. There it is. It's a Union double oval. Pretty nice bitting. A Union by Assa Abloy. I guess this was after Assa Abloy bought the company. Very nice, very nice. There's a note in there, but I will not be showing that just in case there's personal info on it. I'll read it to myself and see if it's something I should read. There's a, as far as I can tell, unbranded euro. Matter of fact, 4 unbranded euros. No keys, no keys to those, so I have no idea what the bidding looks like. PapaSmurf, thank you so much. It's a great package. Looking forward to lots of fun. I'm reading this letter real quick. Just give me 1 second. All right. He was just explaining a couple of locks to me. Thank you so much, PapaSmurf. I'm gonna get right on this. I don't know where I'm gonna start, but that'll be my next video. Thank you everybody for watching, and let me try to get all of these in the picture here. That's lots of fun. That should keep me busy for several days. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.